Realme has confirmed that the Narzo 100 Lite 5G will launch in India on April 14. It will replace the Narzo 80 Lite 5G and sits in the company's budget 5G lineup. The biggest highlight this time is the battery. The phone packs a 7,000 mAh unit, which Realme is calling a Titan battery. The company says it is built to retain battery health for up to 6 years. It also supports reverse charging, so it can be used to charge other devices. The phone runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset and includes a 5300 superscript 2 vapor chamber cooling system. Realme says the device is tuned to deliver smooth performance for up to 4 years. On the front, it features a 6.9-inch LCD display with a 144 Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 900 nits, which should help with smoother scrolling and better outdoor visibility. In terms of design, the Narzo 100 Lite 5G will come in Thunder Black and Frost Silver. The back panel has a textured finish with a vertical camera layout and an LED flash. It includes a 13MP rear camera. The phone is rated IP64 for dust and splash resistance and comes with armor shell protection for added durability. It will be available on Amazon India, Realme's website, and offline stores after launch. Earlier leaks had already pointed to most of these details. It mentions that the phone will feature a 5MP front camera, a 7,000 mAh battery, and support for bypass charging. Storage options are likely to include 4GB plus 64GB, 4GB plus 128GB, and 6GB plus 128GB. Pricing is expected to start under 13,000 Indian rupees and go up to around 15,000 Indian rupees for the top variant.